Find the limit as x approaches infinity. 1 over x to the 4/3 divided by sine of 1 over x. So the goal here is, can I get sine x over x? But in order to get that, I want to have sine of 1 over x divided by 1 over x. And then from there, I can convert it into sine x over x. First, notice that we have x to the 4/3. I can bring that with the sine of x, sine of 1 over x. So this sine of 1 over x is going to go over here. So we have 1 over sine 1 over x times x to the 4/3 power. And then from there, I want to end up having 1 over x. So I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over sine 1 over x times x to the 1/3. So what I'm saying here is x times x to the 1/3 is equal to x to the 4/3, which is correct. Now what I want to do is set x equal to 1 over x. So 1 over the reciprocal of x is equal to x. Okay, so we know that this is true. So we have 1 over sine 1 over x, and then x will be 1 over x, like this. And then I'm going to multiply that by x to the 1/3 power. Now at this point, I can separate this into two separate limits. We can have 1 over sine 1 over x over 1 over x times limit x approaches infinity 1 over x to the 1/3. Now, if I let u equal 1 over x, as x approaches infinity, u is going to approach 0, because 1 over infinity goes to 0. So I can rewrite this first limit as u approaches 0, 1 over sine u over u. And then I'm just going to bring this limit down. So this limit is that x approaches infinity is 0. So at this point I can stop and say that this limit is going to be 0 because this is not going to be infinity. This limit right here, sine u over u, as u approaches 0 is going to be 1. So this thing approaches 1. I have 1 over 1 is 1, and then multiply that by 0, it's going to give me 0 as my limit.